Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture Tech Mahindra IBM latest exam interview queries. So basically this video is related to the queries solution. So Tech Mahindra apprenticeship program is online or offline? What about Accenture 24 August 23 joining? What about the next joining? IBM exam mail is not received. Tech Mahindra exam mail is not received. Okay, so basically in this video we will discuss about one of the most important queries about Accenture, that what about the Accenture next phase of joining or examination, is there any timelines? Okay, so let's start the video. This all videos are for all of you. You can check and you can check the Tech Mahindra apprenticeship updates as well as the Accenture like updates. So basically one of the most important point that I have to mention, that we have a WhatsApp group of Accenture updates, okay, that is related to the queries group. So basically I just posted this poll on the group, and one of the most important point that I have seen, that many candidates are waiting for the July interview results. 256 candidates are waiting for the July interview results. 77 candidates are waiting for August interview results. Okay, and in the group like nobody has got the joining as a 24 August 2023, because 24 August 2023 joining is related to some of the different role like AAC and other roles, and only some candidates got this joining. Okay, candidates got the offer letter or joining mail, like they are waiting for offer letter, and 10 candidates task is approved and they are basically waiting for the offer letter. So this is related to the update. So one of the most important point that I have to mention, that when you open the MyZone Accenture, like when you open the MyZone Accenture frequently asked question, they just mention that like your onboarding and your joining is totally depends on the business requirements. Okay, if there is requirement is high, definitely you will got the joining in the September 2023 phase. Otherwise you will see the joining in the upcoming phase. So the August is ongoing. So basically in the September to November phase we will we will see different joining dates. Okay, so this is related to the important update, and the process is ongoing. Okay, basically the process is not stop, the process is ongoing in the form of phases. So let's discuss about query. Tech Mahindra apprenticeship program is online or offline? Okay, look, they even not mention about this program. Okay, like they even not mention that this program is online or offline, but most probably if the number of candidates is high, I think they will conduct is in the online form. Okay, and if there is a certain type of a criteria or rule that this program is offline, so they will notify you via mail. Okay, if you received the Tech Mahindra mail, you have to fill your interest, okay, survey, you have to fill the survey of interest. So this will be good. So basically second query is solved, and the third query is IBM exam mail not received. Basically IBM is sending the exam mail according to their phases. Like what about phases? Some candidates got the examination mail previously. The round is coding and there is a English round, coding round, there is a different rounds, and then interviews. So basically many candidates are still not received any type of mail from the IBM. So I suggest all of you to wait for some days, and there is one amazing opportunity that I posted on our channel. Okay, so basically test date is 21st August and only 4 to 5 days are left. Must apply for this opportunity. So the last hiring is, if you not receive Tech Mahindra exam mail, so I mentioned already in my previous video that Tech Mahindra team is shortlisted the profile, and if your profile is shortlisted or application is shortlisted, definitely you will got the exam mail. Okay, this is the updates about the important queries. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.